places. It also has ideas of what is good, like how do we express what is what they want. Looks like completely different house. Examples like this here, you can read them faster than I. A few more. And so ChatGPT gets very quickly an idea of what the target market is. And like I say, we could zero in more detail for that. Then keep that in mind. Now what would be good quiz categories to use? And if we want to, let's say, have 30 questions for starters, then it comes up with different outdoor lifestyle visions, different categories. What should be covered in the questions? So we could say, well, let's make a survey of 30 questions, and then for each of these categories, maybe 4 questions, right? So we do that. Good. And then we explain what we want to use problems and ideal outcomes in the question. So we basically balance pain versus pleasure in the survey so that people get oriented as they do the survey. And then with all of this preparation in ChatGPT, we can then say, well, make a quiz of how many questions we want, right? Let's say 30 in this case. Good. And then it comes up with questions like this here. What do you imagine doing most in your new outdoor space? Maybe these 4 categories. These were answers. And so one can have a lot of answers that come up for each of the different categories. And now the nice thing in Accelerator is we can then take that information directly and
so just hold on a second. So
yeah, go ahead.
How do we get the customers to fill out these surveys?
Oh yeah, that comes next. Well, first we have to make the questions, right? Before you have to have questions so that you can send them with a survey. Good. So the next thing, now that you have the questions, you have to put them into our Accelerator. In this case, we have a special prompt, so that we can just copy and paste it right in here. So we have basically outdoor living dream is one category, 4 questions for that dream, and then 4 answers for each.